File path names may seem like a tiny detail, but trust me, they can make or break your data stage workflow. First, let's understand why they are crucial and how they impact your process. Then we'll dive into the best ways to edit and manage them efficiently. We'll even explore different modification techniques to keep things running smoothly. And of course, I'll highlight some common pitfalls you'll want to steer clear of. Let's make file paths work for you, not against you. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. The transformer stage is where the magic happens in DataStage. It's designed for data transformation. Think of it as a chef preparing ingredients for a perfect dish. We'll first explore its purpose and how it enhances data workflows. Then we'll get familiar with its key features, which make it a powerhouse in ETL. Finally, I'll show you how this stage fits seamlessly into the overall ETL process. Ready to master the art of transformation? Let's talk about environment variables. Imagine updating file paths across multiple systems manually. Sounds painful, right? By using environment variables, we avoid hard-coding paths, making management flexible and less error-prone. Plus, they keep sensitive paths out of sight, because no one wants a security leak over a lazy coding habit. So let's embrace smarter configurations and say goodbye to manual updates. Ever processed a file only to realize it doesn't exist? Yep, that's a fun disaster. Validating file paths ensures we don't run into missing or inaccessible files, avoiding unnecessary crashes. Checking permissions ahead of time also saves us from the "but it worked on my machine" dilemma. Let's make validation a habit. It's like checking for your keys before locking the door. Errors happen, it's just a fact of life. But how we handle them makes all the difference. Good logging ensures that when something goes wrong, we don't play detective in the dark. Instead, we get clear error reports, making debugging easier. It also helps spot recurring issues, so we can fix root causes rather than applying band-aid solutions. Let's log smart, handle errors gracefully, and save future us from unnecessary headaches. Best practices exist for a reason, so we don't keep reinventing the wheel. Standardizing naming conventions means no more wondering whether data final v2 updated is actually the final version. Centralized configurations prevent scattered, unmanaged paths, while reviewing them keeps things tidy. And let's not forget backward compatibility, because breaking existing workflows is the fastest way to make colleagues question life choices. Enough theory, let's talk real-world impact. Big companies use structured path management to streamline operations, and avoiding common pitfalls saves them millions. Industry standards exist to guide us, but the best lessons come from real failures and how teams recovered. So buckle up for some interesting examples that'll make you rethink how you handle file paths. Managing file paths properly isn't just about avoiding errors. It's about efficiency, security, and sanity. We've covered key strategies to make life easier, common mistakes to dodge, and why structured path management is non-negotiable. So go forth and manage your paths like a pro. Your future self will thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.